Hello guys, welcome back to my channel where I talk about gadget and stuff. Today we will talk about the Xiaomi's latest fitness band, the Xiaomi Mi Band 4. We will start with a quick unboxing to show you what's actually inside this packaging and along with the specs and features of this lovely band. But before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. It will mean a lot to me and it will cost you nothing. Alright, let's move on to the unboxing. The unboxing of Xiaomi Mi Band 4. This is the Chinese version of Mi Band 4. So this is the band itself. The black version of Mi Band 4. Over here we have the charging cradle. So the charging cradle now is different with the Mi Band 3 and all the previous Mi Bands. And user manual all in Chinese. Yes, all in Chinese because this is Chinese version. Guys, this is the Xiaomi Mi Band 4. The design looks only a little bit different than the Mi Band 3. And the good news is the silicone band for the Mi Band 3 is actually compatible with this Mi Band 4. The display on the other hand is actually slightly larger than the Xiaomi Mi Band 3. And it now comes with an AMOLED touchscreen display which is very bright. The display size is 0.95 inch. Similar to the Mi Band 3, it is also waterproof up to 50 meters. The Mi Band 4 now features a 3-axis accelerometer and a 3-axis gyroscope, which gives a better and a much improved activity and fitness tracking results. I bought this Mi Band 4 in July, which is last month, and I've been using it for over a month now. So here's what I like about Mi Band 4. Number 1, the Mi Band 4 is very comfortable to wear. Once you put on the band, after a few minutes, you tend to forget that it's there. Number 2, the display is bright and vibrant. Whenever I want to check on the time or check on the notification, I have no problems checking it even under direct sunlight. Number 3, the Mi Band is waterproof. Number 4, the Mi Band 4 has a long-lasting battery life. On my personal experience, I managed to get it through 20 days with a single charge. Number 5, there are tons of watch face that you can change and choose from the app. For example, I'm using the Avengers watch face. This is pretty much a positive thing because if you compare to other fitness bands, previously I was using the Honor Band 4. The Honor Band 4 only has 4 different watch faces you can choose, which is very limited. As to be compared with this one, you can choose and you can also design your own watch face. Number 6, which is also a thumbs up, is the price. This is the part which I like the most. The Mi Band 4 is very cheap. I bought it online last month for only 119 ringgit, which I can say this is the cheapest you can get. And now here's what I don't like. Number 1, the lift to wake or the raise to wake is a hit and miss thing, which can be very annoying at times. Whenever you want to check your time, sometimes it doesn't display. Number 2, the display timeout for this Mi Band 4 is actually too short. But overall, I really like this Mi Band 4. So if you ask me to choose over any other budget fitness band, I will still go back to this Mi Band 4 because it is very cheap, it is very highly customizable, and it's very comfortable to wear. I use this and I wear this all day long, even when I go to bed. So guys, if you are looking for a budget friendly fitness band, then go for the Mi Band 4. No more confusion, go for the Mi Band 4. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.